Most reviews on EZ Battery Reconditioning tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the guides, and looked at what real DIYers are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with your dying batteries. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they want to waste money. They're failing because the things they've tried only address the surface symptom, trying to find cheaper replacement brands, not the real reason your wallet takes a hit over and over. That quiet frustration of doing everything right and still throwing away hundreds of dollars on car, drill, and solar batteries every year, that's the gap EZ Battery Reconditioning is designed for. When I broke down how EZ Battery Reconditioning actually works, it targets the root-level chemical mechanism directly. That's the distinction that matters. Most alternatives just tell you to toss the battery out or try a cheap trickle charger, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, actually reversing battery sulfation using basic, cheap supplies you probably already have in your garage. More targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the visual step-by-step guides. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the fear of messing with electricity or battery acid. You do not need to be an engineer. It shows you exactly what to do with pictures. The Double the Life mini course. I hadn't seen this formulated this way in this category before. It attacks the problem backward by showing you how to stop your new batteries from dying prematurely in the first place. Frank's Battery Business Guide. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the whole system compound. It takes a simple money-saving trick and shows you how to actually pull a profit by flipping dead batteries for cash. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first 25 minutes, most people notice an immediate, measurable jump in voltage on a multimeter. That tends to build into massive household savings with consistency as you revive car, tool, and laptop batteries over the next few months. And longer term, it turns into true off-grid independence or a profitable side hustle. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Grab a dead battery, open the PDF on your phone, and follow the steps using basic household items. Fits into a weekend afternoon routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 15 to 25 minutes per battery. Not a disclaimer, just how this specific reconditioning mechanism works. The first try is laying the foundation. The compounding savings kick in after. One variable I always factor in is the refund policy. EZ Battery Reconditioning comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real 2-month return windows on digital products they know under-deliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your specific battery, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on the EZ Battery Reconditioning course, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets.